Saigon's traffic is a vivid representation of the challenges faced by its residents. The streets are a constant flurry of motorbikes, cars, buses, and pedestrians, all trying to navigate through the congestion. This chaos mirrors the broader struggles of daily life in Vietnam, where people must constantly adapt and find ways to cope with various hardships. Just as navigating the traffic requires resources like fuel, maintenance, and sometimes fines for violations, daily life in Vietnam involves financial challenges. Many families live on modest incomes, and the cost of living, education, healthcare, and other necessities can be overwhelming. The financial burden of complying with new traffic laws is just one example of how these struggles manifest in everyday life. The time spent in traffic jams and waiting at intersections is akin to the time spent dealing with bureaucratic processes, long work hours, and other time-consuming tasks. For many Vietnamese people, managing their time efficiently is a constant battle, whether it's balancing work and family life or finding time for personal pursuits amidst their busy schedules. The stress of navigating Saigon's traffic, with its constant noise, pollution, and risk of accidents, parallels the stress and anxiety experienced in daily life. The pressure to meet financial obligations, provide for one's family, and navigate the complexities of modern life can take a toll on mental health. Just as commuters must remain vigilant and cautious on the roads, individuals must stay resilient and resourceful in the face of life's challenges. Adapting to new traffic laws requires learning and adjusting to new rules, much like how people must adapt to changing economic conditions, social expectations, and technological advancements. The resilience shown by commuters in finding alternative routes and solutions to traffic problems reflects the broader resilience of the Vietnamese people in overcoming obstacles and finding ways to thrive despite hardships. In conclusion, the chaos of Saigon's traffic serves as a powerful metaphor for the daily struggles faced by ordinary Vietnamese people. The financial burdens, time constraints, stress, and need for adaptation are all mirrored in the challenges of navigating the city's streets. By understanding these parallels, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and resourcefulness of the Vietnamese people as they cope with the hardships of daily life.